And I would like to say thank you for organizing a workshop like this. Help me to give an idea about how we can deal with the kids' problem or also the kids' development as well.
I thought the workshop was really cool. It was nice seeing my daughters get to engage. It was also nice seeing them make their own decisions, whether it was with other kids or separate from what other kids felt or thought. Kylie said she wanted to be more brave, and Kinley said she wanted to be work on her focus. So that was a big improvement in my eyes. Definitely recommend it. They said they want to come back, so looks like we're signing up.
Thank you for your support, and this workshop today is so wonderful. I hope that you will have so many like this workshop today soon.